If your Windows 10 PC is a personal device that nobody else uses, there is really no reason to be entering a password every single time you log in. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove the password and lock screen from your Windows 10 computer quickly and easily. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is right-click on the Windows Start icon, and from that menu, select Settings. Now, once your settings window opens up, you are going to see several options in front of you. From here, locate and click on the option that says Accounts. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. From that list, go ahead and click on Sign In Options. Once you are inside Sign In Options, scroll down a little if needed, and you will find a section labeled Password. Go ahead and click on that. Now, underneath the Password section, you will see a button that says Change. Click on that button to proceed. Now, this is where Windows does a quick security check. It simply wants to verify that you are the one making this change, and that is completely normal. So, go ahead and type in your current password in the field provided. Once you have done that, click Next to continue. Alright, now this is the key part, so pay close attention here. You are going to see 3 fields in front of you. The first field is for your new password, and the second field is to confirm that new password. Simply leave both of those fields completely empty. Do not type anything in them. The third field is for a password hint. This field is completely optional. It really does not matter at this point. So, once you are ready, go ahead and click Next and then click Finish. And just like that, Windows will immediately save those changes for you. From this point forward, the next time you start up your computer, Windows will no longer ask you to enter a password.